That by itself is great. I'll tell you, well, we've known each other for a long time. We both have a recruiting background. One of the more frustrating things for me in preparing a candidate for an interview is when they don't take the time to understand the folks that they're talking to. And then they go to the interview, they say, oh my gosh, I didn't realize this was a defense company or that this was a whatever. And you're like, oh my gosh, the name of the company is Hanscom Defense. That feels intuitive based on the name. But hearing that Gen Z does that kind of research, I think that's a huge positive. I love that. And one other thing, lest I monologue here, it's incumbent on both the candidate and the interviewer to create a good match. And the interviewer's job is to make sure the candidate has the skills and is a cultural match. And the interviewee's job is to make sure the company has a career match for them and a cultural match. And if Gen Z is taking that extra step, I think that's gorgeous because they're, in my opinion, doing their job as an interviewer.